Why input validation matters.
Input validation is the process of checking user input before your program uses it. Without validation, unexpected or malicious data can cause crashes, security holes, or incorrect results. By validating input, you protect your program, your data, and your users, making your code more reliable and secure.
Common risks of ignoring input validation.
Failing to validate user input can lead to problems like program errors, data corruption, and security vulnerabilities. Hackers can exploit these weaknesses to run malicious code, steal information, or disrupt service. Even honest mistakes, like typing letters into a number field, can cause your code to break unexpectedly.
Simple techniques for validating input.
Basic validation includes checking data types, length, and format. For example, confirm that an age is a number within a sensible range, or that an email address matches typical formatting patterns. Many programming languages offer simple functions to help perform these checks effectively.
Best practices for safer input handling.
Always validate input before processing or storing it, even if it seems unlikely that a user would submit bad data. Use clear error messages to guide users when their input fails validation. Combine automated tools and manual checks to cover more cases and reduce human error.
Summary: input validation for reliable programs.
Input validation is essential for preventing errors and security risks in your code. By thoughtfully checking user data, you help keep your program safe, user-friendly, and dependable. It's a key skill for every developer, whether you're just starting out or building complex systems.